Are you crazy? Heck yeah, I'm getting more Shiba. And I'll tell you right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Absolutely, I'm getting more Shiba. Not because of the rumors of possibly eToro. eToro might be listing this next week, and just rumors, and I'm not spreading any FUD. I don't know if they're going to. It looks like they probably will at some particular point. But the main reason why I'm getting more Shiba, because I do believe in this asset. I think, and I still believe, it plays an important role in this whole type of Shibaswap ecosystem. Yes, Bone. I do believe Bone should be in your portfolio, not financial advice, but I do believe in that. But I'm going to get ready to I'm going to buy 10 million more Shiba on the platform. Now, this is my small account. This is my small account that's over 24 million Shiba. And I'm going to add to my position right now. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to use my wallet connect that's tied into my trust wallet, just like that. So I've got some Ethereum already. All I have to do is connect my wallet, just like that. Go back here and then click on there and literally look for Shiba. I believe in the asset. I really believe that more exchanges will be adding this soon and momentarily, and I'm just basically just adding more to my position. So I'm going to get 10 million, go over 10 million, and I'm going to swap Ethereum for SHIB because I added more Ethereum to my Trust Wallet account. So I'm going to swap here. This is it. Boom, boom. Confirm swap. And if I bring this back up, as we normally try to do, try to be transparent with you, is that right now it's telling me that I need to go ahead and approve this transaction. Look at that, $5. Let's go ahead and do it. Approve that. We're gonna approve. Woof it. Make sure it's done. Close there. It's pending. Boom, boom. It says pending right there. We'll see what happens. Pending transactions. And so the reason why I'm adding more, because I really believe in this asset, and I've been hearing rumors about, eToro and Coinbase and Coinbase Pro, but I'm hearing that, but I really believe Shiba's still the one. I do. I think Bone is important, but adding more Shiba is still important. So I'm going to go over there and be ready to go ahead and bury my Shiba. Now, I used the Trust Wallet with the Wallet Connect, and it looks like this went through. I'll go ahead and click on the View Explorer, the green success, and that's what I did. So that's 10 million right here. It only cost me about $5 in fees. So let's go ahead and stake this whole thing. And another thing I want to tell you, I started out this account with only 3 million SHIB. Now we have over 30 million. My goal is to build this up to 100 million Shiba. That is the goal. So I'm going to stake this right now, and I'm going to look at my Wallet Connect. Only $1.75. I love those numbers. And now it's pending right now. So we're going to stake the whole 100% of this 10 million. And right now I'm excited about it. I know I was reading this about eToro saying we're adding coins on Monday. Drop your guesses in the replies. They better go ahead and list Shiba. They know people are waiting for this. So I'm sure they're going to at some point, but they really should not mess with the Shiba community. I'm telling you, they should not be doing this. I'm just standing up and saying this because people are expecting this. But anyway, I'm not doing it because of this. I'm doing it because I do believe in Shiba, Bone, and LEASH, and other assets as well. So that's why I'm doing this. I'm adding 10 million more to my portfolio. This is my small bag account. So I'm excited to do this right now. So my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And yes, it's going to be a good week. I feel it. Don't you feel it? It's going to be a good week, and I'll see you on the next video.